The very first thing I'm excited to hear when the switch on happens is actually the nature of the sound. So there's no specific sound I'm looking forward to, rather than at the switch on what type of sound it will be. So I'm most interested to see how it differs from the acoustic. I'm feeling great. It's activation day. I'm quite excited and anxious to get in there and get it all switched on. The most exciting thing about after the activation is I want to see how the day goes and what sounds I pick up and how quickly my ear starts to accept this new technology.
Okay, so good morning, Nandini. Welcome to Cayetano. Welcome to Medinko's fitting room.
Okay,
How are you?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited. Ready to try.
Okay, the first task for you is just to show me if it is nothing or very soft, soft, medium, loud, very loud maybe. I will stop here.
Okay.
All right, so just now try electrode free, and I will ask you about your first feeling. If something is here, just give me a sign first.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Beep, beep.
Yeah.
Yeah, super.
Yeah.
Good. Soft.
Yeah. Yeah. That was a shock. Yeah. Yeah.
More loud?
More louder. Yeah. Yeah.
It's here louder.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
here.
it's somewhere
Yeah.
here.
It's
Okay.
comfortable.
It's comfortable. No?
Yeah.
It's
It was
like,
just a shock.
It's like a beep, beep.
Because it feels very deep.
Okay.
The noise, it's not out here, it's deep.
At the beginning, it's normal.
Yeah.
Because we are stimulating the nerve, right?
Wow.
And now?
Yeah. The activation was today, and it was really a fun experience, I think I would have to say. It was really interesting, and I think I enjoyed it from a patient perspective as well as an audiology perspective as well. So it gave me a full rounded experience. So it was really interesting, yeah. So the first sound I heard was the sounds that they play when they're activating the device. So they were more tone sounds, and they were exactly as I expected them to be, but they were actually much clearer than, so the sound appeared to occur much deeper into my hearing system than before. Say with hearing aids, everything was outside. Now it's more internalized. That was the biggest surprise for me.
Very good. We check everything now. So I check all electrodes, and the levels are perfectly fine.
Yeah.
And we can now start a first activation on all electrodes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. No sound. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh.
I hear them.
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. Okay. I'm going up. Oh.
Yeah. It's very far away. Oh, my voice.
Okay. Your voice is now coming.
Oh.
Very good.
You sound so nice.
Perfect. It's very good. So everything works perfectly fine. But as you know, the first sounds could be a little bit strange.
It is strange.
It is strange.
But you, my voice, I can hear.
Yeah, very good.
And also, it's far away.
Far away.
And it's very quiet.
Yes. Let's go up.
Yeah, a little bit.
No problem.
Okay.
Page up. or
Yeah, I can hear the
very good.
Yeah. But when you speak, after the speaking, oh my
It's-
God, that sounds so. I sound like I've had a balloon. You know,
Yeah.
the helium
Wee, wee,
balloon?
wee, wee, wee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And my voice is, I can hear my voice
Yeah.
in my head.
Yeah. Very good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
May I just go a little bit higher?
Yeah, I think there needs to be a bit more.
More power.
Yeah.
Let's try.
After the activation, the biggest difference I'm feeling is that sounds are crisper and they're appearing to be internalized into me. So I'm feeling very relaxed actually. It's not like I'm having an effort to hear the sound. I am wearing my hearing aid on the left side as a support, and I actually expected a bigger difference between the two devices, but so far it seems nice and meshed.
Honestly, now we are like a 5 months after first activation. We did.
Really?
You are doing such a big jump, such a big progress. Really. Usually, I don't have this differentiation even in a foreign language for you, so it's fantastic.
Okay. You're not
You
just
are-
saying that.
You are on a now 5-6 month level.
Okay.
I mean, comparing to the average
Yeah.
patient, right?
You're not just saying that to flatter me.
No, not at all.
Okay.
I'm just really amazed. Today for me was really like a real pleasure to work with Nandini. She actually used her knowledge as an audiologist in a very positive way. Because you know, sometimes if you know too much, it cannot be beneficial if you are a patient. You know what I mean? But she found a balance for this professional part and the patient part. So she did really great job. And also her brain is so plastic that I was actually joking with her that we are already like a 6 months after activation. It was very smooth, very quick and very positive. Now let's move to the ABF. Can you see the screen?
I can see a little bit.
Maybe you can sit here.
Okay.
So this is the position of your first electrode. So the electrode, the filter bank should be shifted here because you are not on the apex, not 70 Hertz position, of course, but your first electrode is on the position 330. So you can see now that this band shifted, actually expand, because we moved more to this dots, green dots, to actually adjust for tonotopic. But usually it is perceptually, especially at the beginning, it's a very small change. Can you experience something?
Because I've not had, well, it's nice.
Yeah, but comparing to what we started, can you?
You don't sound as balloony.
As balloony.
The biggest thing that I've learned today is that when he initially turned on the device, it was with the standard map, and it very much sounded like the typical, what users say. It sounds very tinny or like a metallic Minnie Mouse type voice. But I will say, the moment he activated the anatomy-based fitting map, everything changed and the sound was so much more natural, and ABF changed everything. So I think I'm really happy that I have ABF, because I think it's going to set me off on a bigger trajectory to achieve more. It's been a remarkable experience so far, and I'm really looking forward to growing with it. I know I'm going to be a really good cochlear implant user. I'm already very confident from the way it sounds already that I'm going to be a superstar. So, so I'm really looking forward to achieving new goals and things. I'm determined and ready to go.